In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a credit memo in QuickBooks Accountant using the New button. Credit memos are a simple but powerful way to refund customers, adjust invoices, or correct overpayments, and using the New button is the standard, consistent way to start this transaction anywhere in QuickBooks Accountant. First, sign in to QuickBooks Accountant. If you're practicing or just getting comfortable with the workflow, feel free to open a sample company. Otherwise, open your client's company file. Take a second to confirm you're in the correct company and the correct accounting period so the credit memo lands in the right books. Next, head to the top left of your screen or the left sidebar and click the New button. This is your launchpad for creating transactions. From the list that appears, select Credit Memo. That tells QuickBooks you're issuing a reduction to what a customer owes or preparing a refund scenario. Now fill in the credit memo details. Start with the customer field and pick the correct customer. If this credit relates to a specific sale, use the invoice field to link it to the existing invoice. Linking helps QuickBooks automatically apply the credit to that invoice and reduce the balance due. Set the date to match when the return or adjustment is agreed upon. Accurate dating keeps your reports clean. Choose the product or service being credited. If it's a product return, select the item sold. If it's a service adjustment, pick the service item. Enter the quantity being returned or adjusted. For services, this might be hours or units. Add the rate or price per item. QuickBooks will calculate the amount automatically based on quantity and rate. If your company uses sales tax, you'll see the tax update according to your settings. Review it to ensure it reflects the nature of the credit. Use the memo or note area to document the reason for the credit. Things like returned item, price adjustment, or overpayment correction. Clear notes make future reviews and audits much easier. When everything looks right, choose how to finish. Click Save and Close if you just want to record the credit in the customer's account. If you need to send a copy to the customer, click Save and Send to email the credit memo directly. After saving, you'll see the credit reflected in the customer's balance and available to apply against open invoices if you linked it. Credit memos keep customer balances accurate and ensure your accounting reflects returns or adjustments. With this workflow, you can create them quickly and confidently every time.